up guys, TK here with S1 Build. We're going to go over our various diff mounts that we have today, just to let you guys know what diff mounts we have and what's coming. Let's start off with the tubular diff mount. You can tell guys, this also comes with two pieces on the side that connects and get welded to the chassis. So it's all about preference. All diff mounts do the same thing, but if you want a tubular style, you can get it in tubular. Over here we got stainless, and this peels back to a polished shine. You can get in different colors if you want, if you choose. Over here we have the tubular 4th and 5th gen prelude. You can see how detailed it is. And most of these kits guys, like example for this prelude, it comes with a lot more stuff, a bigger bundle, you know what I mean? The whole entire rear end has to be removed for this kit to be put on. Right here guys, we have 8th and 9th gen Civic, and this is on pre-order right now guys. So if you want all the 8th and 9th gen guys that want all-wheel drive, this is online right now for pre-order. So it's lower than the actual price that we're going to sell it with. And just want to point out guys that this bar right here that you see in the background, this goes with all of the diff mounts to brace up whatever differential you're going to be using. Over here we have RSX EP3 EM2 ES chassis. It comes stainless, but also it can come powder coated like this. And this is a new version, all billet. And over here guys, we have soon to come for Civic Integra, all billet, really blingy. So as we said before, most of these diff mounts come with more parts. We just want to go over it and show you guys what we have in store, what we have coming up, pre-orders, what we have coming up. Plus there's more chassis to come guys, Accords, TSX, you know, just stay tuned, bear with us. It all comes down to finance, demand, and trying to get material to build these parts for you guys. Like and subscribe, S1 Build for the win.
Average, pop out with them, body moving, doing magic tricks. Tonight, I'ma bring her out, the best that you've been around, you know, I ain't average. Pop out with them, body moving, doing magic tricks. Pop out with